Eric Dietz wanted me to film my Sharp digital alarm clock from 2010. There's my '08 Sharp, and this one's like probably programmable or something. I guess that's how you should say it. This is a SPC293 made in China. This is how you set the hour and alarm set and time set too. There's a light from it right here. There is where it tells you the day, the month, and the other day. So it's currently 6:58 p.m. right now, and this is how you set this is how you probably set the alarm to wake up right here. And if you want to turn it off, you just do this. It's pretty easy instead of pressing the snooze button all the time. Another easy way to stop that. I don't know, I usually use the '08 one to last a while. But this is if this had battery changes 2 times already, so but you know, some 2010. It's pretty interesting. This is where the battery's in it. This is the sound where the beeps come from. Yeah, pretty interesting looking alarm clock. So yeah, this is a 2010 Sharp digital alarm clock system, SPC293, made in China. Still working for being 8 years, or 9 actually. So yeah, I guess over and out.